Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel Career Wisdom Job Tips. If you are visiting this channel first time, I request you to kindly like this channel, share this channel to your couple of colleagues and friends and well-wishers who are really struggling hard for getting their first job, or they are looking for a job change and they are not aware of how to proceed further. If they are aware about only uploading their resume on the any of the job portal, if they feel that is sufficient, it's not. So let's get into this topic now. Today's topic is work from home is the new normal. I believe everyone has seen the before Corona time how the hirings was happening, during Corona time how the hirings are happening, and I hope everyone has seen the ups and downs of this COVID-19 and Corona. What kind of changes has been done in the professional market, professional companies. Previously, a lot of people used to go to the offices, and now a lot of organizations has applied this thing, work from home, as a new normal. Because the reasons are employer is happy, the work is being done at a low cost. Low cost means when work from home is the new normal, lot of companies, assuming taking an example of Hyderabad, there are a lot of companies are there which has vacated their offices. Once they have seen the results in initial quarter, the corona started in the month of March. So April, May they have seen, and from June they vacated the premises. There is a certain companies which are around 50 to 100 to 200 to 500 people company. Those companies have vacated their entire office, and they made work from home as a new normal, because employers are happy because their work is being done with a good productivity, number one. Number two, they are saving a good amount of money what they used to pay as a rents prior to corona actually. So the reasons why I'm talking about work from home is a new normal at anyone, because in this gig economy, there are a lot of unemployed people are there. A lot of people are there who are from the other cities. Previously, they could not apply for any opening in Hyderabad because they have to come to Hyderabad. In this work from home normal, employers are ready to take people from any of the city, because either this company is based in Hyderabad, you are from Hyderabad, anyhow you're working from home, right? So previously they used to hire only people who are from Hyderabad only, because they have to travel to the offices. Right now what's happening, even though they don't mind to hire anyone from Chennai or Bangalore or Pune, because wherever they hire, their major objective is to finish up the entire hiring process, and you are productive, the kind of KRS what you are into, right? So nowadays what companies are taking, what companies are focusing on, along with your basic skill sets, technical or domain wise or core wise, along with that they're looking for those kind of a people who are good in technology know-how, number one. Those who are very much flexible in nature, people who work from home, they should be good in flexible in nature. Sometimes they have to log in a little bit early, sometimes they have to log out a little bit late, who are self disciplined. See, once you're going to an office, if a fresher is going to an office, they need to make sure that okay, they are working for 8 hours to take out the productivity. Now a fresher can get the job provided the person is a self disciplined person. Whenever any self disciplined person is there, then only their productivity will come, they will get the jobs. So, and the companies are looking for those kind of professionals who can get the job done with a less supervision actually. So employers and organizations are looking for those kind of a people who are good in technical know-how, who not only knows their core area of their productivity or core areas of their KRS, key result areas, but parallelly who are self-disciplined, who are flexible actually, who need less supervision to get the work done, and they have a decent office atmosphere at their home. So there are certain companies are there previously where they used to give the work at home, but again they started to make sure, okay, they there are certain companies which started doing auditing at the homes actually. Okay, whether they have office come atmosphere at their home, whether they have a dedicated room for that, whether they what kind of a internet speed they have, what kind of a laptop machines they have. So everything, these are the basic parameters. If you're targeting for a job, if there are certain companies which are ready to give you work from home along with the core areas and domain areas, you should have a good laptop, you should have a good internet with a good speed actually, you should have a good mobile actually, plus you should be a good self-disciplined person who can get the work done with a less supervision actually, who are very much flexible. That's the reason there are, I was reading couple of magazines and media where some employee has mentioned that 16 weeks of lockdown saved around 10,000 of rupees in petrol. That's in commuting actually, what they used to spend in petrol actually. They saved around 5,000 of rupees in terms of food and drinks. They have saved 120 hours which they used to commute actually, if you calculate about 3 to 4 months. Same thing, 100% work has been done, work has been completed with 20% of higher productivity. So what they look actually here, the employee is also happy because they are working from home, they have a proper work-life balance, they are saving cost in terms of traveling, in terms of food and drinks. Parallelly, they are happy to spend the time with their family with a higher productivity. Same way, employers are also happy, they are getting done the work with a less supervision and at the employee's place, and they are also saving good amount of money what they used to invest as a rent actually. So this is a win-win show. So right now you can see work from home is a new normal. Previously there are certain companies, when before corona, if I'm working for certain company, they used to say we have a work from home option twice in a month, so 2 days they will allow you to work from a home. But right now, due to this corona or a COVID-19, this has become a new normal. I hope you trust it, right? You have seen the ups and downs of a corona and how this gig economy is working, and how the what kind of a nature of business has been changed from the employer side, and how the employees also have changed as from a work from home new normal. So I hope this has added a value to your professional graph and for your financial graph. So make sure if you're looking for a job, and if any particular company you're targeting, they are ready to give you work from home along with your core areas, domain areas and your IT skills, you should make sure that you are self-disciplined. You need less supervision to finish up your product. You should give a good productivity with a less supervision, and you should be loyal and trustworthy. There are certain companies which will evaluate all these things, and if you get good marks or good rating, then only they will be giving you this job from work from home, where it is a win-win show for employer and employee. I'll be back with one more video for the help of a job seekers like you. I request you to kindly like this channel, share this channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, so that you will get the notifications of my next program, next YouTube videos, for the job seekers, people like you, people like you who are looking out for a change, for your growth, for your family growth, for your professional growth. I'll be signing off. Uday Shankar from Career Wisdom Job Tips. See you. Bye-bye.